Welcome to this Foodseeing special. In this video we want to show you our favorite yogurt. This brand is called Mamie Nova. They have lots of different flavors. This one here is the coconut version. We bought this yogurt in France, where it was produced. Now let's open it. You can get this yogurt in France and some other European countries like in the Netherlands. It is very creamy and has a rich coconut flavor. Unlike many other coconut yogurts, this one really tastes like coconut. This yogurt is so delicious, it is our all-time favorite so far.